First, put your name on the back of your paper and your homeroom. We need 4 sections. You can either fold your paper like I just did, or you can just draw 2 lines. Your choice. Oh no, it's not perfect. That's okay. Next, pick a shape. I'm going to pick a circle, and we're going to start in 1 section. So let's start with our circle. We'll draw a small one, and we'll keep repeating it as we go. Oh no, it's not perfect. That's okay. Notice how when I got to the edge, I still drew some lines of what I still would see if there were a circle going out of the border. Take a black marker, not a Sharpie, a regular black marker, and I'm going to go over my lines. Really make them stand out. Finally, what I'm going to do is use a fluorescent color. You could use a highlighter or anything neon. I like neon crayons. I think they work really well. It's okay if you leave some white. You'll see why. Oh no, I should have taken my time. Yours should look way better than mine because you're not going to rush. You can either still start with a pencil, or if you're comfortable, you can just use the marker. Now we're going to pick a different shape. Just keep repeating that shape. Oh no, it's not perfect. That's okay. That could make it look actually a little cooler. Should I stop here because I'm out of room? No. Keep going with what I would see. So I would still see this. I'd still see this side. And I would still see this. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no, this isn't going so well. That's all right. This is just practice. Keep going with it. See how it turns out. Sometimes you'll come up with your best ideas by accident. So be fearless. I want you to take your time. I'm rushing so that you have more time to work on yours. Color it any way you'd like. Oh no, I ran out of room. Well, just keep repeating the sides you still see. Let's go a little above and beyond. Let's draw a line from the corners and make this look like a hallway. Yeah. Put the cap back on your marker, or else you get an F. Oops, I made a mistake because I was rushing. Add your final touches. And finally,